Hey, this is Natalie over at Coda CrossFit Native going over Thursday's Christmas Eve workout. We're doing the 12 days of Christmas. This is a logistical nightmare. You need to have a plan, know how many people are coming to your class, and then make logistical decisions based off of how many people you're going to have in class. It goes just like the song. People are going to mess it up. Don't stress about it. Just try to be as clear as you can. Talk them through it. You know, it's going to go 1 muscle up, 2 box jumps, 1 muscle up. Okay? So maybe play the song for them. You could even write out an example for them on the board. But if they mess it up, no big deal. Just make sure they get a sweat in. But kind of go through that with them as far as like how things are going to go. During your warm-up, most likely, hopefully, you already have most of the stuff set up before people come to the gym. Just to kind of, first of all, get people to know where everything needs to be. You know, we don't want to be clean and jerky right next to somebody doing burpees, right? So kind of get some space throughout your gym, but you're gonna have everything mostly set up. Use that as a good chance to kind of incorporate that into your warm-up. You know, maybe do 5 to 8 minutes of just kind of getting the blood pumping, and then start going over some of the hot movements that you might need to go through. Due to COVID, it might be a good idea to maybe just have 2 or 3 people sharing the same equipment throughout the whole thing, rather than just like a total free-for-all. But that can be up to you and your gym managers. But you can easily, you have to share equipment today, otherwise the gym's gonna be a mess. I would also recommend literally writing this down everywhere. Write it all over your whiteboards. If you have mini whiteboards, maybe you write it on the floor if you do that at your gym, but write it everywhere so people don't get confused. And then I would also write kind of like the RX version and then the scaled version. So that way when people get to ring dips, they know what they're gonna do there. Handstand push-ups, they're gonna sub push-ups. And you know, maybe get creative on what they wanna do. Like maybe instead of just regular push-ups, maybe they do parallel push-ups. Instead of ring dips, you know, you'll have some boxes out. They can do box dips, or get creative on some other ideas of that for your scaled people. It's not going to take the full hour, but it will take some people a long time. You know, some people might be 25 minutes, some people might be 45 minutes. Encourage them to scale so that they can get out of there. So, logistical nightmare, have a plan. Maybe group people into 2 to 3 due to COVID, or, you know, really spread people throughout the gym. All right, have a great day.